Alright, hey everybody. Today we're planting chamomile. You can see here that it's little tiny seeds. First off, you want to wet the soil. You can see that it's pretty damp here. I did that before I started filming. But yeah, you can see the little tiny bits of seeds. Pretty small. See them right there. So what you want to do is plant them about 1/8 of an inch deep. I kind of just scattered them and then rake over them. You can see that they're coming out. They're pretty small, but yeah, scatter them, and then 3 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch deep, and they require full sun. So for this, I'm trying to create like a big patch of my garden, more than I've ever planted, for chamomile, so we can use it in seeds, but like slavs and teas and all of that kind of stuff. You could even eat it in salads and do all of that, but here you can't really see that the seeds are scattered due to the camera not picking them up, but you can see that they're coming out. So now you just sprinkle the dirt on top and pat it down. And once it's sprinkled on the top of the seeds, you can make sure it's watered, nice and damp, and don't let it dry out until it's done sprouting. Just saying that reminds me that I need to go water this. But yeah, they should germinate 14 to 21 days. So yeah, you can use this in a whole bunch of health products, and you can actually eat the flowers. And chamomile will reseed itself, so you don't have to keep buying the seeds over and over and over again. So this should last for a long time in your patch of garden. Yeah, and now you just want to make sure it's nice and wet. Anyways, thanks for watching Gord's Garden. Hope to see you on the next episode, and we'll keep you updated on what happens with this chamomile patch. Thanks everyone.